So we're going to be doing single leg kicks today. This is a very good back exercise and bum exercise. I get to touch Paul's bums without his moaning. So it's a very good back exercise, and you'll feel this in this part of the back. And often people go, oh, this hurting. Generally, because you need it there. So from here, we're going to start with this at a lower level. So just rest your head on your hands, but relax the shoulders so that the shoulders don't crawl up towards the ears. So just leave everything nice and relaxed. So you're going to start drawing your belly button away from the mat. So you're activating those core muscles. So think of giving your spine a hug. You're going to squeeze your bum cheeks and then lengthen your legs away, so get those muscles working. So especially the leg that you're working on, I'm going to do the one closest to you. You are squeezing this bum and the back of the leg, and you're going to start bringing your heel to the bum. And the knee comes off the floor slightly, but if you find that's too much pressure at first, you can keep your knee down. If you squeeze in this muscle hard enough, that heel won't get there. Now as you take your leg down, you need the knee to come off. That is really going to target those muscles, and then take your foot down. And do the other side. So squeeze. Good, and then knee comes up as you go down. So I'm just going to show you a bad one so you can see. So if you bring your leg up, Paul, and then lift the whole hip up. Often what you'll get is people are so busy trying to kick, this whole hip comes off. So you want to make sure that the hip bones stay on the floor so you can come down. So again, if you just do two right ones. So the leg comes up, so lengthen. Paul's squeezing all these muscles up the leg. You may even start cramping. As the leg comes down, knee comes off. Those muscles are working like mad. And down, good. And relax. So that is single leg kick, and as I say, that's really good to help strengthen this lower part of the back. So that's all for now. See you soon. Bye.